In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly API. To get started, sign in to your Calendly account. From your dashboard, open the Integrations and Apps section. This is where Calendly groups all official add-ons and developer tools. In the search bar, type API so we can quickly narrow things down, then select the card labeled API and Webhooks. On that page, choose Get a Token Now. A personal access token is what authorizes your software to talk to Calendly's API on your behalf. Click Continue to begin creating one. Give the token a clear, memorable name that reflects its purpose, like the project or environment where you'll use it. Next, select the scopes. Scopes define exactly what the token can read or change. For security, follow least privilege. Pick only what you truly need, such as read only if you're just pulling event data. When you're happy with the selection, click Next. Calendly will ask you to verify your identity. You'll see a prompt to enter a code. Open your email and find the verification message from Calendly. If it isn't in your inbox, check spam or promotions and request a new code if the first one expires. Copy the code from the email, return to Calendly, paste it into the verification box, and submit. After verification, your API key will be generated and displayed. Copy it right away and store it securely. For safety reasons, Calendly will not show it again. Treat this token like a password. Keep it out of code repositories and screenshots, and load it into your apps using environment variables or a secrets manager. If a token is ever exposed, or you pick the wrong scopes, revoke it on the same page and create a new one. With the token ready, you can make authenticated requests to Calendly. Most HTTP clients expect it in the authorization header as bearer followed by the token. Use HTTPs, start in a test environment, and confirm your scopes by calling a simple endpoint before you build deeper integrations. If you plan to react to scheduling activity in real time, the webhooks option on that same page lets you subscribe to events using this token. That's it. You've searched for the developer tools, created a scope token, verified by email, and securely saved your API key. You're now set to integrate Calendly into your workflow with confidence.